hold your paws.
Why? It smells ready. Wait, what are those green triangles?
Whatever they are, they smell amazing. Not yet, Max. They're still raw.
Raw? Like cold meat raw? No, dummy. It means it's not ready yet.
We have to cook them in the pot first.
And how long does cooking take?
Long enough for you to learn some patience. Patience is hard.
All done. Now they're perfectly cooked.
Wait, Missy. Are you seriously eating the wrapper?
I was just checking the quality of the wrapping. We don't eat the leaves, silly. Watch me open it first. First, loosen the string, then open the leaves.
Look, the rice was hiding inside. It's wrapped, Max, not hiding.
And this, my darlings, is called
Zongzi.
Zongs.
And these little ones are your special pet-safe versions, made just for you.
Our very own Zongzi.
As we deserve.
So warm
And wonderfully soft.
and super sticky. Definitely much better without the leaf wrapping.
So let's remember, first cook it, second, unwrap the leaves, and third, enjoy the yummy rice inside.
But Mom, how did the rice get inside the leaves in the first place? That sounds like a story for next time.